How to sign up on Pocket option. It takes less than a minute to sign up. Use the registration button in the upper right corner of the page. Registration is necessary in order to save the results of trading on a demo account and start receiving real profits. You can sign up via email, Facebook, and Google accounts. Just select the desired method and come up with a strong password. Sign up with email. Enter your email address, come up with a password, and enter a promo code if you have one. You can learn more about promo codes in this video. Sign up with Facebook. Enter your Facebook account details and click on the Sign Up. Sign up with Google. Enter your phone number or Google email address and click Next, then enter your password. An email will arrive in your inbox with further instructions. Follow the instructions to complete your registration. Try it now. Follow the link in the description.